Oh boy! It's a bright new day at the construction site, and Benny's ready to dig up a storm! Here comes Rusty, mixing up some magic! It's going to be a smooth ride ahead! Whoa! Daisy's got the steel beams. Just a little wobbly there. Steady, girl! Oops! Forklift's in a hurry. Whoa! Slow down there, buddy. Those bricks aren't going anywhere, hopefully. Whoa! That roller's rolling over everything, even that tiny pebble. Talk about a powerful move. Yikes! Benny's turning the ground into a mountain range. He might have overdone it a little.
Oh no!
Oops! Looks like Rusty made his own sculpture out of a traffic cone. Modern art, maybe? Whoopsie! Daisy's putting up beams, but looks like she set off a tool avalanche. Phew! What a day! Full of craziness. But they did it! Time to call it a day, team! Tomorrow, we do it all again.